guys, we made it to the Tennessee rest area here, and we were gonna stay the night here at the rest area, but all over the place are these signs. So I guess we are going to go to plan B, which I didn't make up plan B yet, and we're gonna have to kind of look and see what we're gonna do. But they're everywhere. These signs are everywhere. No 2-hour parking. So if you think you're gonna stay at the rest area on 75 going north from Georgia into Tennessee, it's a no-go. There's a Walmart back that way and some other places I saw that we could boondock, but we're gonna check this little welcome center out and we'll get back at you. They have a really nice rest area in here, guys. Well, guys, since we can't stay here, they said there's a guard here that you could ask, but I couldn't find him, so I give up, and we're gonna go to Hotel Walmart. So, oh well.
It's like 7 minutes down the road.
7-8 minutes down the road. It's 2 a.m. and we're ready for bed. See you at the Walmart. Well, good morning, YouTube. Well, we're at a Walmart here. Sorry for the wind noise. We're at a Walmart here outside of Chattanooga, and we're gonna go see what we can get into today. Well, guys, we were coming down the road and I seen this art here, metal art on the side of the road. Sorry for the wind noise and the road noise, but go check it out. But here we go.
We are at the start of Big Saudi Creek Golf, and how I found this is at the visitor center. I actually found this pamphlet of the waterfalls in Tennessee, and so you just find, you could find them along your route, all the different waterfalls, all the different numbers, and this one just so happens to be the first one. And this one's different sizes. It's not the biggest one. I think the biggest one is 80 feet. This is 30 feet. Let's go see how it looks.
Some information about the park. Well, guys, we're walking the path up here and can't beat the view. I mean, we're literally walking next to a beautiful stream, so.
This is to your left, and then this is to your right. Can't even complain.
Sorry if I went a little fast. but amazing. We're enjoying ourselves. Very nice. No one in sight, guys. It's just us. Very nice spot. I think it was well worth the walk.
Yeah, not bad at all. It's a gravel path, so it is easy to walk.
For everyone that's handicap accessible, one day a month, and I will put in a picture of the sign. They do open the gate up at the front, you'll see, and they allow people to actually drive up here one day out of the month on a Saturday morning, and for the whole day of one day on a Saturday. And that's very nice, because I know a lot of you are asking about handicap accessible places, and so if you do plan accordingly, you could see this beautiful place in your vehicle and drive up to the top here. So it is accessible if you make plans. My new conversion chart. Nice wooden bridge. I could just let my memory card on my camera run out right here. Doesn't get much prettier than this. Well guys, we made it here and we're gonna have a little cookout. It's a local fast food restaurant. And we're gonna, after hiking to the falls, we decided we needed a little food. We're on our way to Anytime Fitness, take us a nice shower. And it's about 8 o'clock. Got us 2 big combos coming in milkshakes. Back at you when we get our food.
Looking yummy.
Looking good. Well, we showed up here at an Anytime Fitness, but as you can tell, it's under construction. So, I guess we're gonna go with plan B. Well, it took us a couple minutes to get here, but we found another Anytime Fitness. We're gonna go in and get a shower. Not sure if we're gonna stay here the night or if we're gonna go up the road about 15 minutes to a Walmart. But here's what could possibly be where we stay the night. We'll check out these bathrooms while we're in here. Well, this one looks like it's gonna work, guys. A couple bathrooms. And we got a couple shower rooms. See you in a little bit, hon. It's got a nice sink, stool, paper towels, nice walk-in shower, no lip. There is not a stool. I guess you could take this stool into the shower. I'm not sure really what that is. I love when there's hooks. Pretty much the same thing in this one. Do a little quick. It's identical. There you go, guys. Well, guys, we were able to get a nice hot shower at the Anytime Fitness. Now we're at the Walmart and we're gonna end this video right here. If you're in the parking lot at about 12 o'clock at night, that's what you hear. The little sucky thing running around vacuuming up the parking lot. So that's what that is in the background, and we'll see you tomorrow. We were gonna do a little intro and bam! Bloopers 101.